Hey, this is Lewis from Breakdance, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect your AI agent like Claude or Codex or OpenCode or Cursor or any AI agent that supports MCP to WordPress and Breakdance. So here I am in the WordPress admin panel, and what I'm going to do is go to Breakdance, Settings, and then Agents and MCP. And from this screen, if we already have Agent Connector installed, it'll have a little connect button. If not, we need to install Agent Connector. This is another plugin that's going to let us connect our agent to WordPress. And this is going to let us connect it to other WordPress plugins that also support MCP, not just Breakdance. So you'll be able to do a lot more than just control Breakdance when you're using this plugin. Okay, I clicked the one-click button to install Agent Connector. And that's just a plugin. It would show up on my plugins page like a normal plugin if I went over there. Now let's go ahead and click connect. Or if you refresh the page, you will also see Agent Connector in the WordPress menu. So we can just click Agent Connector. And from here, we can connect our site. And this plugin, it has some settings. You can enable or disable it here. You can lock it to a specific domain. You can log the MCP events, and you can go to log and see everything the agent's done. It'll list the registered abilities on the site. But I want to connect, so I'll go to the connect screen, and I'm going to click Get Started. And here I can choose my agent. And by the time you're watching this, you'll probably see more possible agents to connect to in this list. But if you don't see your agent, no worries. Just click Other, and you'll get universal setup instructions for any agent. I'm using Claude Code CLI specifically, that runs in my terminal. So I'm going to choose that one and click Continue. Now it's going to ask me to generate an application password. I will do that. This will let me securely connect the agent to my WordPress site, just like an administrator logging into the site. If I want to save this password in a password manager, I can click Show Password to get it and copy it in. I don't need to do that right now. And then I'm going to follow the how to install instructions. And this is going to vary agent to agent, or if you're on the other screen, you get the universal instructions. But anyway, how to install, copy the command below, open the terminal and paste it, and then Claude Code is going to confirm the server is added. So here's the command below. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to my terminal. On Mac, you would just type in terminal. If you're on Windows, you can just look up on Google how to open your terminal, but the instructions are basically the same. And then I'm going to paste in my terminal command, and there we go. It says added stdio MCP server, blah, blah, blah. Let's go ahead and open up Claude Code now and see if I am connected. Hey, are you connected to WordPress over MCP? Okay, it says yes, there's a WordPress site connected over MCP. It's the Breakdance server. Want me to pull the site info to confirm it's live? Let's click, or let's say yes. And there we go, it's confirmed it. I'm connected to the site and it's live. Here's the site. So you can now control Breakdance through your agent. Okay, let's test out the connection. So I'll say, build me a beautiful homepage for my auto repair business. Use stock photos. Press enter, and I will come back when it's done. Okay, it worked. It says it added some sections and a footer, and it says Pages Live is the home page. Let's go back to WordPress and go to Pages and take a look. So here's the new page it created. And wow, does this look good? That's pretty good for the AI agent. And of course, it's built in Breakdance, so you can open that up in Breakdance. And there we go. Here's the page. That is how to connect your AI agent to WordPress and Breakdance.